Earth through sound waves. The rhythmic pulse of the Earth is often overlooked, a symphony vibrating beneath our feet. What if these sounds could tell stories, a rich history of the planet's evolution, from its fiery inception to its present calm? In the not-too-distant future, a young scientist named Dr. Elena Voss discovered a way to listen to the Earth's hidden melodies, unlocking secrets no one could have imagined. Chapter 1. A Whisper in the Dark. Elena Voss was an ambitious geophysicist working at the Orion Research Institute in Iceland. She had always been fascinated by sound waves, particularly how seismic vibrations traveled through the Earth's crust. After years of research, she developed a revolutionary device called auralysis, a system capable of converting seismic waves into audible frequencies. With this tool, she believed she could decode Earth's heartbeat. Late one evening, Elena and her team activated auralysis near an active geothermal site. As the machine hummed to life, the room filled with a hauntingly beautiful resonance, a deep, undulating hum interspersed with sharp clicks and distant, echoing rumbles. It was like listening to the earth breathe, sigh, and whisper secrets. One particular sound caught Elena's attention, a series of harmonic tones that repeated in patterns. It was unlike any natural phenomenon she had studied. Intrigued, she recorded the data and analyzed it over the following weeks. What she discovered defied explanation. The patterns mirrored ancient musical scales used by human civilizations thousands of years ago. Chapter 2. Echoes of the Past. Elena's findings sent ripples through the scientific community. As she refined her methods, she realized the Earth's layers carried distinct sound signatures, each representing a different epoch in its geological history. The outer crust emitted higher-pitched tones, while the mantle resonated with deep, guttural vibrations. Even the core had its own unique rhythm, a slow, steady pulse. Using auralysis, Elena and her team listened to historical events locked within the Earth. The Chicxulub asteroid impact that wiped out the dinosaurs produced a cacophony of crashing waves, while the eruption of Krakatoa in 1883 left behind a sharp, discordant ring. These were more than echoes. They were the Earth's memory, preserved in sound, but it wasn't just the past they could hear. As they refined the technology, Elena began picking up strange modern anomalies, vibrations that didn't align with known geological or human activity. These frequencies were faint but persistent, emanating from deep within the planet. Chapter 3. The Signal. One day, auralysis detected a sound unlike any other. It was a precise, repeating sequence of tones that formed a coherent pattern, almost like a song. The sound emanated from the Earth's core, and its complexity suggested intelligence. The discovery shook the world. Some believed it was a natural phenomenon, while others speculated it was evidence of an ancient civilization buried deep within the Earth. Conspiracy theories flourished, ranging from alien interference to the Earth itself being a sentient entity. Elena, however, was determined to uncover the truth. She collaborated with experts in mathematics, linguistics, and quantum physics to decode the signal. Months turned into years, but the team eventually cracked the code. The sound was a form of communication, an ancient language that predated humanity. The message, when translated, was simple yet profound. We are here. We have always been here. Chapter 4. Voices of the Guardians. The revelation sparked a new era of exploration. With advanced drilling technology and robotic probes, scientists delved deeper into the Earth's crust, hoping to find the source of the signal. What they discovered was beyond imagination. At a depth of nearly 50 kilometers, they uncovered vast caverns filled with crystalline structures that vibrated with sound. These formations acted like natural amplifiers, transmitting the Earth's core vibrations outward. Among the crystals, they found artifacts, metallic objects of unknown origin, etched with patterns that matched the sound waves. Elena theorized that the crystalline network was an ancient communication system created by an advanced civilization billions of years ago. These beings, whom she called the Guardians, lived within the earth, harnessing its energy and using sound to communicate across vast distances. Chapter 5. A World Reconnected. As humanity unraveled the mysteries of the Guardians, they learned to interact with the Earth's sound waves in new ways. By mimicking the tonal patterns, scientists established a form of dialogue with the ancient beings. The Guardians revealed they had been observing the surface world for eons, stepping in only during catastrophic events to stabilize the planet's balance. They spoke of a time when the Earth's energy was harmonious, before human industrialization disrupted the natural symphony. The Guardians urged humanity to restore balance, warning of dire consequences if the Earth's rhythms were further disturbed. Moved by this knowledge, global leaders united to adopt sustainable technologies, reduce pollution, and harmonize human activity with the Earth's natural cycles. Elena's discovery became the foundation of a new era, where sound guided not only scientific progress, but also humanity's relationship with the planet. Epilogue. The Eternal Song. Decades later, Elena stood on a mountaintop, listening to the Earth's symphony through a portable oralysis device. The tones were clearer now, a testament to humanity's efforts to heal the planet. She closed her eyes and smiled, knowing that the Earth's song would continue for generations to come, a living testament to the bond between humanity and its ancient home. As the sun set, the wind carried the faint echo of the Guardian's message, blending seamlessly with the Earth's melody. We are here. We are one.